In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Get Add-ins in Microsoft Outlook 365. If you want to expand what Outlook can do, enabling access to add-ins is a great place to start. Add-ins allow you to extend the functionality of Outlook by integrating additional tools and features directly into your email environment. This can help improve productivity, automate tasks, and give you access to useful third-party services right inside your inbox. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once the application is fully loaded, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to a separate menu where you can manage your Outlook settings and preferences. From this menu, look for the Options selection, usually located toward the bottom of the list. Click on it to open the Outlook Options window. This is where you can customize different aspects of how Outlook works. Inside the Options window, find and select the Actions section labeled Customize Ribbon from the list on the left-hand side. When you click on it, the main panel will display a list of available tabs and commands that can be shown or hidden in the Outlook ribbon. In this area, focus on the section that lists the main tabs. This is where you control which tabs are visible at the top of your Outlook interface. Scroll through the list until you find the entries related to add-ins and developer tools. Make sure that the appropriate options for add-ins are enabled by checking their corresponding boxes. Enabling these options allows Outlook to display the necessary controls for managing and accessing add-ins directly from the ribbon. Once you have selected the required options, take a moment to review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. When you are ready, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to apply your changes. After closing the Options window, return to the main Outlook interface. You should now see the additional tabs or commands related to add-ins available on the ribbon. From there, you can access the Get Add-ins feature, where you can browse, install, and manage different add-ins to enhance your Outlook experience. With these tools enabled, you can explore a variety of integrations that can help you work more efficiently, whether it's managing tasks, connecting to other services, or customizing your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to enable Get Add-ins in Microsoft Outlook 365. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.